breeze in my coat, you know. Fuel on my fingertips. Map in the passenger seat, and your name on my lips. Soft plucks in the dark, barely a spark. Then you look at me like we can start again. Hold on, don't let go. The road bends slow, then it opens. Whoa, I can feel it now, under my skin.